morning, International Space Station. Good morning, Houston. We're all excited about the all-women spacewalk today. Yeah, about that. Houston, we have a problem regarding the spacewalk. Yes, sir, the all-women spacewalk. A real milestone. Yeah, we just checked the spacesuits, and, we sent you the wrong kind. What do you mean? We sent you up with the wrong spacesuits. We just sent you up with men's. So no go on the spacewalk today. That can't be right. We meticulously plan these missions months, even years in advance. I don't know what to tell you. The suits aren't for women. How is that possible? They all button on the men's side. Are you kidding me? We're all highly trained astronauts up here. Plus, spacesuits don't just button up. Okay. Astronaut McLean wears a medium, but we sent up a large. You mean to tell me that of all the things you have to check, and all the math, and all the science that goes into getting us into space, you didn't check the tags on the spacesuits? You could try washing it in warm water and put it in the dryer right away, though it'll probably shrink up and not really in. International Space Station? International Space Station?